guys, Carlene here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe on your way out, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back and checking in on your girl. Listen, I had to jump on quickly and do this short snap video, snap review, snap feature. Listen, Pink Craze has braiding here and I am obsessed with this jumbo ponytail that I created. I followed Being Gabrielle's IG tutorial that she did a while back. I'll make sure to post it in the description box below in case you're interested in trying it out yourself. But listen, if I could do this, listen, any one of y'all could do it too. But let me just jump in very quickly about the hair itself. I'll make sure to insert a picture of it in its packaging for you guys to see what it looks like. But basically this is your standard braiding hair. It is pre-cut, pre-combed and pre-stretched, so you know you get the maximum amount of length for your money. This retails for $40 TT. Yes guys, $40 TT. Like, how wonderful is that? And you can either get this from any of your Pennywise cosmetic branches, or you can buy it straight off of the Pink Craze website. So I just brushed back my hair in a sleek ponytail. Of course I would have washed and detangled my hair first, and then taking out the braiding hair in the packaging. And I am going to remove the rubber band from it, because it is secured with a rubber band, and I am going to secure it with a scrunchie. I'm just going to loop it and do a simple kind of loop knot, but pull it tight so that it will, you know, stay put. And then after that I will unravel the braid that it came with, and I will tie it with my ponytail hair, to the top. And I divide it into 3 sections, and actually 4, and the 4th one I kind of wrap around my neck because that's the one that's going to loop around. But then I start braiding it in the 3, and then as soon as I reach to a certain point, I kind of braid to the front because it's just easier for me to see the braiding process there. And once I've reached the very end, I'll secure it with a rubber band and trim off the excess hair just to neaten it up a little bit. And then I take that 4th piece of hair that you see that was wrapped around my neck, and I kind of wrap it around to kind of like hide the scrunchies, you know, so it looks like one of those kind of like knotted hair things. And after I like tuck that in with a bobby pin, I, you know, take a little gel, and well, I use a toothbrush, but you could use a edge control brush if you have one, and just swoop your edges, you know, make them look nice and, you know, souped. And then of course I tie it down with a satin scarf, just to keep it down. Yeah, so Pink Craze is now carrying braiding hair, and I am super, like, well, you have no idea how your girl feeling herself with hair. And I'm usually not a hair person, but this was so very easy to do. Now the hair comes in an assortment of colors. She has pink, she has red, she has purple, or she has it normal with natural hair colors, as well as an ombre blonde in case you like that kind of style. I find this suits my complexion very well. The bundles do cost $40 TT per pack. Now if you want to do like a jumbo braid, it's recommended you use 1 pack or you could probably use 2 and add more if you want an even longer braid. And if you want to do full braiding on your hair, it's recommended you purchase at least minimum 3 packs. Now the hair itself, you can buy it either in your local Pennywise cosmetic store or on the Pink Craze website. I'll make sure to link her website in the description box below if you're interested in getting the hair. Now listen, and the whole look is Pink Craze, like seriously, lashes, liner glue, and hair is a whole vibe, is a whole vibe. And she also sent me a couple detangling brushes, and this proved to be so helpful in this hairstyle because of course the girl had to wash and detangle her hair first in order to get a smooth look. Now it's not super smooth, but it's as smooth as I can get it, and this really helped a lot in detangling my hair. She did send over an extra one, which I will be putting in a little giveaway in this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram and follow Pink Craze on Instagram, and comment in comment section box below in comment section your Instagram handle, and I will select randomly one person a week from today's date. But you could also check the description box for the rules. Unfortunately, this would be a giveaway to people in Trinidad and Tobago only. Sorry. Next one, perhaps I might do an international giveaway. But these are so very handy to have. Best of luck. And I really hope, you know, you check out her hair. It's really nice. Okay, so thank you so very much for checking out this very short video. I just needed to share this product because I am absolutely in love with it. Next time I'll definitely get like 3 or 4 bundles, and once, you know, the restrictions are lifted and, you know, the hairdressers are back in full force, your girl is gonna come out with full-on braids, because I wanted to do that for a while, but you know, since the lockdown, can't do it, you know, so I will just get my hair, you know, in the meantime. But I am absolutely in love with this. What do you think? Like, is it a vibe? I think it's a vibe. So yeah, so thank you so very much for watching this video. So thank you for watching this very short video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.